If you guys are new investor that want to, let's say, double up or triple up your money, or maybe even 10x your money, here are the 3 companies that you guys consider to avoid. Because I remember when the first time I invest in the stock market, guess what happened? Normally, when you're new to the stock market, some of the company you consider to invest probably are the most popular company right now on the planet. Guess what company that is? Apple, Facebook, or maybe Delta or American Airlines. Like whether it's airline industry, Facebook, or Apple. And guess what happened? I was one of those people, just like you guys before, if you got new, to invest into Apple, Facebook, right? And I have a friend that's very close to me, and he invests into Delta. And as a matter of fact, I thought that was the safest investment. But sometimes in investing, the safest investment is actually the most dangerous investment, because at the end of the day, you don't win anything, right? Because it's grow too slow. And let me tell you why. Why I think this 3 company is the company that we consider to avoid if we want to triple up our money or 10x our money. First of all, when I start to understand more about investment, and when I start to study what our investors doing, what your math is doing, and what all these genius investor, billionaires doing, that take their money from nothing and 10x or even 100x to become wealthy, I realized that most of these people, they invest into disruptive innovation company, not the company that is in the past. So let's pick out Apple. One of the reasons before, when I understand about investment, I sell all my share from Apple. First, I invest to Apple, and after that, I sell all my share into Apple. The reason why is Apple right now, the company is a great company. You know, no offense, the company is great. If you want to have a safe investment, like for example, for the people who are really, really safe, they love Apple, everything, then maybe Apple is right for you. But for most people that are on this channel, that they want to 10x their money, triple up their money, Apple, reason I didn't like it, because their market cap right now is at $2 trillion. That's a lot. For me to 10x my money, maybe Apple have to go up to at least 20 trillion or maybe 10 trillion. That's a lot of money, and it's really, really tough for Apple to go to that much, right? So that's the first thing. Thinking about Facebook is the next company that I invest in before, but when I know Facebook is hard to 10x, I sell most of my share in Facebook. Right now, I'm not going to talk a lot about the negative thing about Facebook or anything like that. But what I say in Facebook is, Facebook right now, their market cap is too big right now. It's like 700 something billion of dollars. So for Facebook to go to $1 trillion, possible. For it to go to $2 trillion, possible. But if Facebook, you want to 10x your money, it have to go to at least like $5 to $7 trillion. That's a lot of money, right? So for me, I couldn't see how Facebook can went to that amount of market cap, because right now Facebook, they have competitor like TikTok, they have some other competitor like Clubhouse, but I feel like Facebook right now, they have a lot of things for them to work on the side of the business, because I see the vision of Facebook. Like I see why Chamath, he sell most of the share from Facebook and he invests into Tesla. I'm not going to create a video and talk bad about Facebook and anything like that, because I have a reason why. But the market cap of Facebook is right now is basically is kind of big for you to 10x. Next thing is, guy, is American Airlines and Delta. If you look at American Airlines and Delta right now, Delta at $48, and the highest Delta ever go for the past 5 years is at $60. So for Delta to go double, it had to be at least $96. It's pretty tough, right? And Delta, they don't have any innovation in Delta, right? For the past like 5 to 10 years, they don't even innovate at all. They don't position themselves for the future like Virgin Galactic. They position to have a hypersonic plane that can fly super fast. They cut that 24 hours into like 2 or 3 hours, but Delta haven't done anything special for the company to outgrow, for the company to grow massive. So in my personal opinion, I don't think Delta is right for me to 10x my money. So guys, if you guys want to 10x your money, you guys have to really look for a company that's all disrupted. The company, the market size is small. They have to have like very innovative founders that have skin in the game. They have share in that company, right? And like I say, and I don't see that in Facebook right now when the market cap is too big, and Apple as well, and also Delta and American Airlines. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you guys. If you like it and enjoy, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and share this video for more people. And always invest like a genius.